Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss two more DSA problems, and if you are preparing for TCS NQT exam, then this video is very helpful for you because both questions are similar to questions which are asked in TCS NQT coding exam. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, and one thing is that if you not see my previous video related to TCS NQT coding exam, I provided the link of the playlist in the description of this video. So make sure please see all the video related to TCS NQT coding exam before attempt your TCS NQT coding exam. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so our first problem is like that. A number is a perfect number if it is equal to the sum of its proper divisors, that is the sum of its positive divisors excluding the number itself. Okay, the task is to find whether a given positive integer n is perfect or not. Okay, after reading this statement I understand that we need to find the a number is perfect or not. Okay, and the definition of perfect number is that if the sum of its divisor, or we can say that the sum of its factor excluding the number itself. Okay, I explain you the whole process in our digital board, just patience. Okay, so our problem is said that. Okay, now discuss about problem. So what is the problem? Okay, let's example, this is our number like 15. Okay, and the factor of 15 is, as we know that 1 is the common factor for all numbers, 3, okay, and 5. After that 15, what question said that number excluding the number itself, so we remove this number. Okay, now available factor is 1, 3 and 5. When we add these numbers we get 5 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 8. Okay, now we check condition. If 8 equal to 15, not equal to as we see that in this condition 15 is not a perfect number. Okay, so basically this is the definition of perfect number. After discuss about new number, like example is 6 is another number. Now discuss about the factor of number is 1. Okay, if you do not know what is the factor, the definition of factor is that if any number divides the another number completely, then this is the called the factor of that number. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself, but we do not include 6. Okay, in this condition these are the factor of 3, but when we add this number 1, 2 plus 3, then we get what answer? 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. Okay, and now 6 is equal to 6. Yes, so this is the perfect number. Okay, so this is the basically definition of perfect number. I hope you understand the logic. Now we go over VS Code and let's code this problem. Okay, so start coding. I am writing code in Java, but if you are not familiar with Java, then you simply drop a comment. I will provide the code in that language, in which language you want to code, within 2 hours. Okay, so first code this problem, class, and after that file name, and our file name is 15. Okay, before that I already create 14 video related to TCS NQT exam. 15, after that public static void main string args. Okay, after that we need to scanner class, scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, after that we need to import this class, import java dot util dot strict. Okay, after that we need to give a message as out, enter the number for checking. Okay, after that int number equal to sc dot next int. Okay, after that we found the number is perfect or not. Okay, so as we know that a number is perfect when the sum of its factor is equal to sum. So we write a function. For example, we take a boolean answer equal to write a function find factor check, or we can check is the appropriate name, and pass number. Okay, after that, if answer equal to true, then we print out number is a perfect number. Okay, otherwise we print else number is not a perfect number. Okay, so this is the definition. Here we also write number. Okay, now create function public. Now write the function. So public, okay, static, and return boolean type boolean, and then function name check. After that, take variable int number. Okay, after that we take a variable int sum equal to 0 because I need to check. After that we apply a for loop for int I equal to 1 से start करेंगे, I is less than equal to not equal to सिर्फ number था. Okay, and I plus plus. After that, if we check condition, if number modulus I equal to 0, in this condition we simply add sum plus equal to I. Okay, otherwise not add. And now check if sum equal to number, then we return true, otherwise we return false. And we true. Okay, now run our program. So it's first java c, now 15.java. So our program is compiled successfully. Now run java.15. okay, enter number 15 is not perfect. Okay, so our program is done. Now check for 6, run again, enter 6 is a perfect number. Okay, so our program is performing well. Okay, so first we comment this code because we also write code of another problem in this file. Okay, and now discuss about today our second problem. So today's second problem is given like that. Given two sorted array A and B. Okay, we have basically two array A and B, where each array may contain duplicate elements. Okay, the task is to return the elements in the union of the two arrays in sorted order. Okay, first I tell you what is the mean of union. Union of two arrays can be defined as the set containing distinct common element, and another condition is also given that union must also contain unique element. Okay, that are present in either of the array. Basically which are present in either of the array. Either of array means if they are present in array 1 and if they are present in array 2. Okay, so this is given input ARR1 and this is given AR2 and this is our final output. Okay, so for solving this problem, now first discuss the approach for solving this problem. For discussing approach, we go over digital board and tell you what is the how to solve. Like this is our array. For example, this is our array and we need to find a unique element and union. For example, in array we check 1 is array and 1 is also in this array, then we 1. After 2 and 2 is also fine, then we enter 2. 3 also fine, then we enter 3. 4, but in this array 4 is not fine, but we add 4. After that, basically we merge two sorted array and okay, and return all the unique element. Okay, for solving this problem we can also solve this problem using loops, but this is the brute force approach. I am talking about how to solve this problem. For example, let's take two variable I here and variable j here. Okay, we take two variable. Okay, here be I, okay, or here be j. Okay, and set a data structure like list. we take a list, okay, li simply. And now we check if ARR of I equal to ARR of j. Okay, we check if ARR of I equal to ARR of j. In this condition we add element into list. Okay, we add element into list and increase the value of I and j both. Now for example, I is pointing out here and j is also pointing out here. Okay, again we check if ARR of I equal to ARR of j, and if ARR of I is greater than j, ARR of j, and if ARR of I is less than j. So we basically check three conditions. Which conditions? First is A of I. A of I, okay, A of I equal to B of j, okay, B of j, okay, and another condition, A of I is less than bj, less than B of j, and another one condition is another, A of I is greater than A of B of j. A of I is greater than B of j. Okay, we check simply three conditions. Okay, now we check AR of I is pointing out here and j is pointing out here. So we check which condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. In this condition we add element in list. Okay, for example, in this condition we add 2 and increase the value of both I and j. Now I is pointing here and j is pointing out here. Okay, now again we check condition. Now again this condition is satisfied, so we first add element in list, okay, and increase the value of both. Now I is pointing out here and j is pointing out here. Now we check ARR of I equal to B of j. Not. Now this time this condition fell. Check this condition. ARR of I is less than B of j. Okay, this condition is satisfied. In this condition we add element of A of j. So we add 4 and increase the value of I, not j. J is same in this condition. J is same. Now we compare. If A of j I is less than B of j, yeah, greater than or equal to. So we check. This is condition not satisfied. This condition is again satisfied. So we add 5 and again we increase the value of I. But in this condition no element is remaining. So we stop I. Now we have remaining 7 element. Okay. So in this loop we do not go, but after this loop we also define two loop which check if remaining element of A, and another loop is for remaining element in V. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Now let's code with this problem, and if you not understand well, when I code I tell you whole process. Okay, so don't worry, check code, and if you do not understand you simply comment I understand you personally. Okay, so write code for this problem. First we create class, and after that public static void main. Okay, after that we need a scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. After that we import this class, so import java dot util dot asterisk. Okay, now we take two variable, int n equal to sc dot next int, and another int n1 equal to sc dot next int, and give here message enter the size of a first array. Enter the size of first array, and here give message out. Enter the size of second array. Okay, second array. After that we need to element and for give message enter the element of first array, and created a array int a equal to new int n. Okay, after that take a loop for int I equal to 0 and I is less than n and I plus plus, and after that I equal to sc dot max int. Okay, after that b gives a message for b, enter the element of second array. Okay, and here we change name b, and here we also change size n1, and here we also change array of b. Okay, after that we need to print, so we created array list storing answer, and type is integer, and name is answer equal to new array list. After that answer equal to find union, this is the name of function union. In union we simply pass a and b array. Okay, after that we simply print union of array and simply print our list. Okay, now we write to code of function. So public sorry public static return to list. So we created array list and type is integer. Okay, and find union union, and take two array int a and int b. Okay, now in this now write our condition. So first we take two variable int I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. Okay, and created a list for storing answer, array list integer, and name is list equal to new array list. Okay, simply so we take two variables I and j for increasing value and a list for storing element. Okay, now we take a while loop and give condition. What condition? If I is less than a dot length, okay, and b is less than j is less than b dot length, j is less than b dot length. Okay, so this is the condition. Now in this while loop we need write to code. Okay, first we write if first condition, if a of I is less than b of j, okay, then we go in if block and check if answer is empty, list is empty, or list dot get size, list dot get and list dot size -1. Okay, I explain you what is going on. Not equal to a of I. Okay, in this condition we add list dot add a of I. Okay, a of I, and simply increase value of I. Okay, so discuss about this condition. First we check if list is empty, then we add element. Otherwise, if this condition is not fulfilled, then we check this condition. If list dot get dot list dot size minus 1, it means that the upper element of list is not equal to a of I, is not equal to a of I, because if this element is equal to a of I, then we do not push element, because we do not need to duplicate element, so we give this condition. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now write code for another condition. In another condition, if a of I is greater than b of j, in this condition we need to check b of I, b of j. Okay, so b of j, here we give b of j, and here we also add b of j, and simply increase value of j. Okay, and another condition, here we give else if, and here we give else. This is condition when both elements are same. Okay, in this condition we also check this. Okay, so copy this and paste this, and in this condition we do not increase j, we increase both, so I plus plus and j plus plus both. Okay, here I also need to provide two conditions. First is that if remaining element, okay, so we check while and give condition while I is less than, okay, a dot length, as I explain you in a code in your digital board, I dot length. In this condition we need to add this element. Okay, simply. Okay, otherwise, and if ARR of b is remaining, then we simply check b j, and here we provide b, here we also increase value of j, and here we. So now compile our code. Java C 15 dot java. Now for java 15 dot java, now enter the size. So we check our input. In first array size is 5, and enter in 1 2 3 4 5. Size of second array 1 2 3 6 and 7, and our output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, which is similar to this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now run for second input. In second input our size is 5 and 5, in both condition 5 and 5. First element 2 2 3 4 and 5. For second array 1 1 2 3 4, and our answer is 1 3 2 4 5, and our answer is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so our answer is similar, but in this condition 1 2 3 4 5 is sorted, and in this condition 1 3 2 and 4 5 not sorted, and these are not giving condition array is sorted or not. Okay, okay, return the elements in the union of the two array in sorted order. Okay, no problem, we simply sort the list collection. Okay, collection dot sort, collection dot sort, and pass answer. Okay, collection dot sort, collections होता है ना, collection होता है, collection dot sort. Okay, simply run again and write 5 and 5. Enter element, these are element. Okay, run for this 2 2 3 4 5, and then 1 1 2 3 4, and our answer is 1 2 3 5. Okay, well done. I hope you find this problem is helpful for you. If you feel this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe channel and like the video, because it takes lot of effort. Okay, all the best for your exam.